Mob. It's Tune. CA in this bitch with me. K-Ro, what up? Just made 100 racks. Got goons with 100 straps. Just beat the court case. Lawyer cost 100 racks. Gave the plug 25. Said I make 100 back. We don't even talk licks. If it ain't about 100 racks. Just made 100 racks. Whip cost 100 racks. Just beat the court case. Lawyer cost 100 racks. Gave the plug 25. Said I make 100 back. We don't even talk licks. If it ain't about 100 racks. If it ain't about 100 racks.
To 50 when we drop the bills in again. It counts 50 again and moves it over and it adds it so you have 100.
Look. Just dropped the first 100 racks off rip, boy. Nigga, yeah, know my name, I'm the shit, boy. Pun a lick, but I don't need a script, nigga. Came through 100 racks, make a flip, boy. Goddamn, hoe click in this bitch, though. Hoe showed up on the tip in this bitch, though. Stepped in, new fit, double cup two. Nigga, roll one, show a hoe what the loud do. Damn, bro just came home from his trial. Cuts in the jail, honey, won't get him out. Damn, nigga, free profit. He been in for a while, in the meantime, meanwhile, I'ma grind hard. Wreck your mob with my team, I'ma shine hard. I ain't playing around with your fuck, boy. 100 racks on your tombstone, fuck, boy. Wretch.
Just made 100 racks. Whip cost 100 racks. Just beat the court case. Lawyer cost 100 racks. Gave the plug 25. Said I make 100 back. We don't even talk licks. If it ain't about 100 racks.
We can push the add button on. Okay, so when we put the add button on, we drop in the bills. We count the bills. We got to count over here at 50 and move that over to 50 when we drop the bills in again.
I know that 50 plus 50, 100, my niggas be drumming, so that's how I keep it. I know you see money miss making drops in the drop for the guap, but that's how I need it. Hoodies and coffins, lying and stalking. Trust ain't no talking, my boy, if we beefing. Pair of them blocks, split up the sign on your rocks. When you drop, you be paraplegic. Cause we ain't finna play when it come to that. Now my niggas don't play when it come to racks. And my niggas don't play when it come to straps. Press play, SK with a drum attached. We don't just talk shit, we be running facts. When we running this shit, they yelling run it back. My little bro fucking buying like a quarter meal. And this motherfucking lawyer costs 100 racks. I can get you knocked off for 100 racks, nigga. When it pop off, ain't no coming back, nigga. I'm at the drop off, sitting in the lap, nigga. With the top off, looking like a crack dealer. Shit, we came a long way from the trap spot. Selling Zans of them bands on the back block. This is all real fact, not an act, nigga. So don't call if it ain't about a rack, nigga. Just made 100 racks. Got goons with 100 straps. Just beat the court case. Lawyer cost 100 racks. Gave the plug 25. Said I make 100 back. We don't even talk licks. If it ain't about 100 racks. Just made 100 racks. Whip cost 100 racks. Just beat the court case. Lawyer cost 100 racks. Gave the plug 25. Said I make